Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Tom and I flip cars for a living. And right here is one of them. It is a 2006 BMW 325 Xi that is almost flawless. This car has been well maintained and loved its whole life. It has a couple little door dings. You can't even see them. Right there is one if you can see it. This car has not been cleaned up, detailed, waxed, or anything yet. It's just been driven home from the auction. And as you can see, it is in excellent shape. It runs and drives as good as it looks. It even has, look at the interior. The back seats have never been set in, I don't believe. It even has a DVD player in the headrest, or a gaming system. You can hook your Xbox to it, your phone, whatever. I mean, it's flawless. Everything works on the car. I believe it's a 210 horsepower inline six, a 3-liter, back to a automatic transmission. I mean, it's just an excellent car. And I've left the lights on there. Let's turn them off so it don't beep. Well, what do y'all think of it? It will be going for sale, or up for sale rather, I should say, in the next few days. It'll probably be online for sale Sunday, I'm going to guess. I'll put a link in the description below to find it. But I mean, it's just an excellent looking car. I can't get over how good it does look and how good it runs. The only thing I'm going to do to it is detail it up, and it don't need a whole lot. There's a few places that needs cleaned in the paint. You can see water spots and stuff in it. The headlights needs cleaned. I'll polish them up, they'll look new. Alright, let's go for a little ride and see what you think of it. This is an all-wheel drive car, which with the winter time coming up, I think will be a good little car. It's a very safe car. Oh yeah, listen, can't even tell it's running. And of course, I need gas or petrol. It's just a nice little car. We're backing out of my driveway right now. It's a pain in the hind end. Alright. Well, we didn't get ran over, which is a good thing. I mean, you can hear that was the doors lock. It's a smooth. There's no thumping from struts or anything like that. No axle noise. It's just smooth. No wind noise through the seals or anything. It's just a really good little car. I sort of was hoping my son would want this car. He's 15 and he's going to be driving here in the next little bit. So, but it's a safe car. That it would be a great first car, and it gets excellent fuel mileage. I'm getting 25.1 miles to the gallon right now. And I guess I said we had drove it from the sale. We've drove it a little bit more than that. I just hadn't cleaned it up yet. We've probably put, oh Lord, we put 400 and some mile on this car. since we bought it. My wife, she loves to drive it. BMW slogan is the ultimate driving machine, and that is very true. They are the ultimate driving machine. All the pixels even work on the radio, and that's very rare for a BMW of this age. Excuse me. I can't turn it up, we'll get copyrighted, but look at that, all of them work. The air conditioner is ice cold. You could hang meat in this cabin. It's just a great little car. It's quiet. It drives great. The feel of the steering, you can feel it. It's not real easy. I don't like a light steering on a car. This one's not heavy. It's just right. So I mean, this will make somebody an excellent car, and I'm gonna not have to do anything to it except clean it up. And I think it's due for a service right now. It is. It's over 100 miles, and we've done that. So whoever owned this car has taken excellent care of it. I like to get cars that people has loved and cared about. They're just a lot better car. Of course they are. They've been serviced. The windshield wipers, you can tell by the windshield wipers on this car. This set of windshield wipers is like $80. And if you don't care about your car, if you don't care about yourself enough, because that's a safety issue with wipers, but these people cared enough about their safety in their car to not put cheap wipers on it. And that shows me a lot about a car. If people will spend 80 or 90 bucks on a set of wipers, they take care of their car. And this one has been taken care of. So if you're looking for a car that's very reasonably priced, that is going to last you for years to come if you take care of it, this is one right here. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Please comment below. Thanks.